Llanddwyn, also known as Llanddwyn Island, is a small tidal island off the west coast of Anglesey, Welsh, Ynysmon, northwest Wales. The nearest settlement is the village of Newborough. The island is of geological interest with pillow lava, jasper formations, and aeolian sand deposits. The island forms part of the National Nature Reserve of Newborough Warren, which includes the extensive and floristically rich sand dune system. Llanddwyn is a tidal island. It remains attached to the mainland except at high tide. It provides views of Snowdonia and the Lorne Peninsula. Tynpamora Lighthouse marks the western entrance to the Minory Strait. In respect of the site having spectacular, accessible, and well-preserved exposures of late Neoproterozoic Cambrian melang with more than 200 years of study, the International Union of Geological Sciences (IUGS) included the Llanddwyn Neoproterozoic Cambrian melang in its assemblage of 100 geological heritage sites around the world in a listing published in October 2022. The island is rich in legends, in particular in its association with Dwynwen. The name Llanddwyn, the Church of St. Dwynwen. Dwynwen is the Welsh patron saint of lovers, making her the Welsh equivalent of St. Valentine. Her saint's day is the 25th of January and is often celebrated by the Welsh with cards and flowers. The island bears the ruined remains of St. Dwynwen's Church Welsh, Eglwys Santes Dwynwen. Unusually for churches in that region, it has a cruciform floor plan. Archaeologists examined the ruins of St. Dwynwen's in 2011 and again in 2021. The 2021 dig discovered traces of even older buildings below the ruins. In 2004, Llanddwyn was used as a filming location in Demi Moore's romantic thriller Half-Light. Tynpamora was used as a lighthouse, which plays a key role in the film. CGI was used to create the effect of a real light on top of the lighthouse. Bryn Terfel filmed his video for Cavatina, arranged by Chris Hazel on Llanddwyn, a very beautiful romantic place. Bryn on BBC Breakfast.